It's been a year of living in her husband's shirts for late Representative Lucy Torres Gomez. The lady lawmaker said this in a post on Instagram as she marks one whole year of staying in Ormoc City because of the COVID-19 pandemic. During official functions in the province, the legislator has been wearing boyfriend shirts, the fashion term for oversized tops. She also wears the shirts of Ormoc City Mayor Richard Gomez during virtual committee hearings of the House of Representatives. At home, however, the lady lawmaker prefers wearing sundresses in pastel colors.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.